Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy One UI 6.1 update for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and this can also apply to the Galaxy S22 series. So one thing I was worried about when I came from the S24 going to the Z Fold 4, just going back and forth between the two, is I felt like I would notice the performance difference going back to the Z Fold 4, that it was just going to feel a little more sluggish, and it did, but that was to be expected. Now that we have this One UI update, it definitely has increased the performance. It actually is a lot more noticeable than I thought it would be. Of course, we get all those new 6.1 features, but we're not going to really talk about that too much in this video. I just want to talk about the performance aspect and how I can feel the difference between the Galaxy S24 Ultra here and my Galaxy Z Fold 4. So you can see, just launching apps, the animations are a lot smoother and they just feel a lot snappier. And I haven't done anything, no animation scale changes, nothing like that. Everything right here is just as it has been. Everything just loads right up and works as it should. Like, goes right into apps, everything like that. The notifications, the animations feel like there's a lot less stutter. There used to be a little bit of a kind of like a lag or a stutter from tapping the icon to opening the app, and that just doesn't seem to be the case anymore. A lot of people were expecting a performance update, performance upgrade in this update, and I definitely think we did get that. Very, very smooth. Just scrolling between the apps. I have mine set up with good luck so I can just continuously scroll. I don't have that many pages, there's only 2 pages, but I have it on just an endless loop so I don't have to go back and forth. But very, very nice in my opinion. Very good update here on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'm actually probably going to put my SIM back in this and daily drive it for a little bit. I'm probably going to go back to daily driving Samsung for a little bit until we get to iOS 18 and the betas there, and then of course we'll hop on over to iOS 18 and we'll be doing a bunch of beta stuff there when that rolls out here in just under a month. Very, very excited about that. Been looking forward to that. Hopefully we get a nice big update there, but that's what we got update wise for Samsung this week. And like I said in my video yesterday, we did also get the May security update for the S24 series. So that did come out, but big update for the Fold 4 as well as the S22 series. They got One UI 6.1 with Galaxy AI. So we did get some of those features. I'll just show you guys real quick. So we have the advanced intelligence right here. Basically the same stuff you get on the S23 and S24. I think it is missing a couple things, but we have circle to search. So you can do circle to search, and you can do the keyboard AI and all that kind of stuff, your photo stuff, all that kind of stuff is working on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.